Good day, people, guys. So today, guys, is Sunday. Sunday, guys. So tomorrow is Monday. The market it will be open, guys. As you can see, the market is not even moving. So I'm just gonna come here, guys, and analyze real quick and be prepared for tomorrow. So without wasting any time, guys, let me just get into it. As you can see, guys, we're on weekly. In my time frame, I use 6 time frame, guys, which is weekly, daily, 4 hours, 50 minutes, 5 minutes, and 1 minute, guys. I'm a scalper, by the way. But then you can see me, I'll start from the higher time frame, refine each and every time frame till I get to 1 minute. So let me just start here. So let me grab my highlight tool here. So just start by this point here only, guys, here. This part. So by this part, what do you see, guys? As you can see, market come here and take out this high point here, guys. So that means we are what? We are bullish here, guys. Here. We are bullish. So on weekly, we are bullish. So yes, that's where we are, guys. Just take out this one. So as you can see, my rectangle tool and with what? And for those who have been following my videos, guys, you can see that I always do the same. Whenever I open my laptop, just come to the chart and do the same all day, every day, guys. I just do the same. As you can see, I make my what? My demand zone, guys. And this next thing, I just come, I take what? My horizontal line, I mark up here. Why I do that? To look if market is reacting on something. As you can see, we are reacting on what? Here. It's just a what? A high point where I just put an X here, guys. It's just a high point. There is no like a significant supply zone. You can say, oh, market is reacting on something. So this high point, guys, here, market, let me just zoom here. As you can see, market just come here. It tap this high point and it come, it closes here. And again, we open again here on the low part, then we just closes here again on this candle here again. What does it mean? What does this say, guys? This market is just talking to us, guys, as you can see. On this line here, let me just take out this line. Yeah, I took out my highlight too. Let me just take a trend line. If I mark here, I extend it up to here. What do you see, guys, there? For those like who have been following me, it's liquid, guys. That's liquid, guys. And by liquid market, it always make sure that it what? It sweep all the liquid, guys. So that's liquid on top here. Market it always make sure that it's gonna sweep the liquid. And again, if let's say I can just check here on top here, let me just check out that thing here. Yeah, I took my rectangle, I marked there. There is a good, nice supply zone here on top here, guys. And it haven't been like tested here. Extend this one to the right side. As you can see, with what? A supply zone on top here. So my bias now, guys, it will be like this. Market will close here. So tomorrow we are opening the market. If you open the market, we can open a candle. It will go and sweep all the liquid up here and tap the supply zone. If you tap this supply zone, it can just drop all the way to what? To this what? To this demand zone here. And if it get to this demand zone, I mean, then we can see if we can get some reaction for bullish, then we go all the way breaking what? Everything here, targeting what? The next supply zone. So that's what I'm looking at weekly. Or else again, as you can see here, we break out this high point here. So basically, if we break that high point, market sometimes it can just open, then it goes all the way down here. If it goes all the way down before you sweep this liquid here, then it came here. If it came to this demand zone and give us, let's say, a change of character on the lower time frame, we can go up again, targeting what? The supply zone. Simple, guys. That's simple. So if let's say we can see that okay, the bearish that are coming here, we can take all the bearish like all the way down here. Then when you get here, we just boom, we can take again the longs up to the supply. So in another step 2, market can just open, then it take what? This supply zone. Let me remove this one. Like what I said, it can take what? It can take this supply zone, then it take us what? Down here. Or else it can open and break this supply zone. If it break this supply zone, then it retests, then boom, we go what? We go more higher because this market is already bullish, guys. So that's like what I'm looking for at what at weekly. And don't forget that here we still have a what, a supplies. Yes, a supply zone is still good and clear, guys. This supply zone, yeah. And market, it has an also like what, market, it has an break it. You can see market just close here, close inside the supply zone, because we took out this inducement here, which is inducement. Then it was also part of what, of liquid here, double what, double tops. Then we sweep it, we tape this one, and still we still got what, much liquid on top here. It's also like we can even sweep this liquid, then we go down, or again, since we are reacting what, on this supply zone, we can just react and target what, this demand zone, then continue our bullish trend. That's all or not on weekly. Yeah, that's all, guys. So let me just take out everything. Yeah, move the drawings. So now we go not on daily, guys. Easy, guys. So that's what we are looking for at weekly. Then I take out my rectangle tool again and start to analyze my daily. So I just go by all the time frame, like weekly, daily, or just refine each and every time frame what going down, guys. So here, yeah, like this. Then I'll take what, look for my rectangle tool. Yeah, guys, and these guys, like this strategy, guys, I believe for myself, like it's the simplest strategy, guys. And let me just mark this lower, but in this lower is too far, guys. I mean, I just want to mark things that are near, but then since we can see it, we can just mark it. So, and again, I can just extend what, my horizontal line. I mark here, then I can check if market is reacting on something again, and we are on day, like we just finish our weekly, then check if, oh man, sorry man, sorry, what's happening here? Let me remove that. Oh, sorry guys, sorry guys. Yeah, sorry. So basically just check here where we are coming from. As you can see, guys, we are coming from what, from again from a higher point, guys. Yeah, if I can mark here, that's a higher point, guys. We have no, like, we can say now we have a what, a good, no, there's no a good supply zone. The only supply zone we have is this one, guys. Let me just check it and extend to the right side. Yeah, extend to the right and see if, let's say, we are reacting on something, guys. As you can see, we broke that supply zone. So basically, if I can come again to this side here, guys, I just want to take you step by step so that we can get where we are coming from and where we are going. As you can see, guys, here we haven't take out this week here. Where's the highlight here? This week here, the one that where I put an X here, we haven't take it out. So if I can put this line up here, as you can see, we put this line up here and go to this side again here. As you can see, we haven't take it out. So market just get to this point here, to this point, but we haven't reached to that point and start to react and give us a reaction. So that means this top here and that other top where I started to put that line, that's again liquid on. And understand this one, on weekly we have liquid up, then daily we are forming a liquid. In this one, guys, in this small reaction this reaction we just took, it's like a fake out. Many people, they start to sell, but then you'll be like shocked suddenly, make it, you say boom, it clear everyone, every stop loss up here just cleared up. Why? Because it's forming a fake out, and market is still in a strong bullish trend. And as you can see, we just took out what, this supply zone here, we just take it out, guys. So that means we are still in a bullish, like in a bullish trend. Any bearish trend we can take here, it's a counter trend. It's a counter trend, guys. You must mark that. And this strategy, it doesn't mean, let's say, we can take out the bearish trades also. We can take them, but then make sure that you are monitoring them, and you mustn't hold them for too long, because once you hold them for too long, your asset is gonna get hit, guys. You understand that one? Okay, cool. So let me just take out this one here. This supply zone, I take out. So what I can say, guys, you can see we are still bullish on what? On daily again. And we still have a space here to target what? This high point here. So we can take bulls up to what? To this high point here. Once you took this to a high point here, maybe we can just liquid a little bit. We get what? To this line, then all the bearish way to this demand zone. If we get to this demand zone, we get good what? A good traction. Boom again. We take longs. Then these longs are going to break everything up here now. Then we take it what? The next supply zone. Easy, guys. Or again, market can be tricky again. It can just start to retest here. If we can start to see retesting, guys, like down here, those retests, you can just take them again. When you take them, don't hold for too long because market is too bullish here. Just take those bullish, like 1:2, 1:2, 1:2 RR. When we take them, then we take it what? This demand zone. Then if let's say we go again like what? Good bullish trades, guys, we're just gonna say boom. Those ones we can hold, guys. One maybe like 1:10, 1:20 till we break what? This supply zone. That's good, guys. Yeah. So next, we're going to what? To 4 hours. So we're just gonna like analyze from weekly, daily, going each and every time frame, like down to get what? 1 minute and see, like say, okay. So on Monday, we'll be taking what? Bullish trades or a boost. But for now, USD, guys, just gonna keep on buying because the way I'm seeing it is still bullish, guys. So let me just go to what? To 4 hours. Then see, oh, let me just drink my drink, guys. It's water, by the way, guys. Try thought, guys. Yeah. So let me. Sorry. Yeah. As you can see, guys, just doing this. Oh, now using a trend line too. What is it? Yeah. So if you can see, guys, I'm just gonna do the same thing. This strategy, guys, is simple, guys. Just have to know what you're doing. That's all, guys. Yeah. Again, I'm analyzing what? By 4 hours here. So yeah. Sorry, I removed that extend too. We mark there. Yeah, so that's it, guys. As you can see, we are like this. Then here, like what I always say again, if you can check this part here where I put an X, as you can, everyone can see an X. Where I put an X here, we have a week. That week, guys, I always, in these weeks, guys, they do work. I mark this week. If I see a overlap week like this one, I always mark it because that's a zone, guys. If I can drop to 15 minutes now, we can see that, okay, market, it retested a little bit and boom, it continued going bullish. So I'll just mark this week here, like this, and extended it up to here. So here, like what I was looking for like last week, I was thinking that if market can come and break here, if it just break here, I will look for what? For a supply zone here, maybe here. I will just look for a supply zone, market it to retest, then boom, I'll target what? This demand zone. But unfortunately, bulls, they say, no, we're still bullish here. I get what? Let me take out this one. I get a reaction on the lower time frame, then boom, it's continued going bullish. So if let's say like we are coming from what? From weekly, daily, you can see that bulls are still strong here, guys. So let me tell you a trick again. For example, here, what's going on here? Market is not in a pure bullish trend. So if market retest like what happened here, market it what? It say boom, then it's what? Boom, then not break structure, then it retested here. So it retested here and come to what? To this supply zone here. We put the X, this supply zone. On the lower time frame, it gives us what? The bull trades. So what does it mean? If we reacted on a demand zone, maybe let's say, yeah, for example, let me just use this example. We are on a bullish, right? So market, it retested or not on this demand zone here, where I put an X on that week there. So when it retested here, guys, and give us like a what? A bullish trend. So that bullish trend, that means if let's say here, we have a 15-minute, like a 15-minute supply zone here. all of them definitely, without a doubt, they will fail. Mark this one here. If we reacted on a 4-hour supply zone, like here, market come reacted here, or 15, not 4 hours, 15-minute supply zone, they are going to fail. So our target here, it will be here. Let me take my horizontal ray here. That's our target here. Guys, simple guys. Here, so market it rated here. Where I put the X. So I'm looking for boost till where? Till I target this line here. And if things can go like my way, is going to break here. We are going to break here and form what? A new demand zone. Then boom, we continue what? The bull trend. So for now, like on Monday, when market is open, guys, I'm still gonna buy me till I get what? To this zone here where I put X's here. That's like my final target here. If I target here, I get, let's say, the bearish, let's say it market, like for example, let me tell you another trick, guys here. Market, it come all the way from this party to this party. Then it's rated away on a demand. So basically, what does it mean? The demands that are in control. If they're in control, we're going, definitely it will break here. If it couldn't, by the way, let's say it couldn't break it. If it could break it, I'll just target what? That's where I'll look for shorts all the way away to this demand zone here, where I put an X. That's where my shorts, they will be ending here. So I think we are clear for now. Monday, market open. So it's possible that market can open, like, let me take all this one. And market, it can open with a gap, then boom, you will see market hits up here. Because market is still wanna buy, guys. So for EURUSD, still gonna buy, guys. I hope it was clear, guys. So I'm going to 15 minutes. As you can see, we're just gonna go drop, guys. So let's see what 15 minutes it is for us. So like, I just do what I always do. Let me just start this side here. Here's the trend line. Take a trend line. I'll mark here. So if I mark here, I'll just look forward. So our low point was here. That's our low point here. That's our low point. Then market break here. And what market did? And again, let me just mark this high point there. That's what we are targeting, right? If you remember on 4 hours there. So like this. So market is like this, guys. Yeah. Simplest strategy, guys. You don't have to complicate things here. You can see market, it came again. So here. Okay, let me tell you another thing again. Cool. So market basically, it's ranging here, guys. Yeah, it's ranging. That's what we call ranging, because our low point is here, and now our high point is what? It's here. So whatever it's happening inside here is just a range, guys. It's a range, as you can see. So let me see. And on these ranges, we can get trades also. Let me just show you. And for other, like what can I say? Like how I learn, guys. Me, I learn by myself, guys. It was a self-taught through YouTube, finding this strategy. I even change like a lot of strategies till I get this strategy here. So here, so what do I want to do here? So from this like low point to this high point here, guys, everything that is happening here is substructure, guys. It's substructure. And it's like consolidating. Market is just consolidating here. So it's substructure here. So let me just tell you, I want to show you how we trade this one here, guys. So market actually, it came here, it take out what? This low point. So it was bearish here all the way here. So from this point where I just mark here, it was bearish. Then market it changed character here. I just want to show you how you can trade this one, or how you can just score it, guys. So you mark high point. Yeah. Then yeah, can you see something? Yeah, we have a supply, we have a demand zone here, which is clean again. So that's our demand zone, guys. Yeah, then again, sweep. Let me see if I can have another. That I don't want to mark like something that is too far, guys. I just want to mark something that is too close so that you can see those too far things. We'll mark them some other time. For now, I just want to see if market opens, what are we going to see? Wow, and we have a liquid to target here, guys. See, that's great, guys. Just gonna go by time frame and time frame. Yeah, so like this. Now you can see I'm just analyzing, guys, everything. Like as you can see, I just want to show you that these things, guys, you don't have to complicate things. But in all my first, I think all my first 2 years, guys, it was hard, guys. I don't wanna lie, it was hard. Till I just found this strategy and say, now let me just stick to it. Yeah, and again I can let me just zoom. And you don't be scared, guys. You have to zoom, because that's your chart, guys. No one is gonna laugh at you like, this guy is zooming or what. You just do you, guys, then you're good to go. And yeah, you can see I got what a demand zone is the one that caused a flip. We call it a flip, but in flip I'm just gonna do it some other time. Wow, guys, look, guys, liquid again to take here. Everything, guys, is simple and clear here, guys. So let me just say liquid here and liquid to take here. So that's what I am. So like you can see, we come from what? From weekly, we said daily, 4 hours, 15 minutes. So what about 5 minutes? 5 minutes, I use it to refine my zones. Like here, I have how many zones? Here, I have what? One zone, then zone 2. This zone 3, guys, is too far. This one, we put an X bar in. Don't want to mark it. So let me just, we're just waiting with what? Zone 1 and zone 2. So I'll just drop to what? Sorry, to 5 minutes. To 5 minutes, what do I do? I'll refine my zone. If it's clear, if it's not clear, I just leave it like that. You can see I have a clear zone, demand zone, I mean. So here I refine it to a smaller zone like this. Then again here, wow. We have a good demand zone as well here, guys. I refine it to again like this. Then boom, that's my chart, guys. I'll go back to what? To 5 minutes. Yeah. So it's like this. So let me just remove my X's. Yeah. That's all, guys. You don't have to complicate things like too much, guys. Just do things that you understand. So as you can see, guys, here, if you remember, listen, if you remember what I was saying on 4 hours, on 4 hours, I said my high target, it's what is this one where I put this line here. That's my high target, guys, here. So for now, here, as you can see, I refine everything here like this here. So on these zones, zone 1 and zone 2, what am I looking for? Here, if market is like this, guys, here, so for now, I'll wait for market to open. Then I can, if I want, I can just go to 1 minute here and do like this here and wait, as you can see. That's why we call patient, guys. We just have to wait for patience only, guys, here. Like this. If like this, guys, we just call it what? We wait like this, as you can see. Everything is good, guys. If it's like that, guys, we just wait. As you can see, we're on 1 minute now. So what are we waiting for? If you may, like many people that are asking, yeah, we are waiting for market to come here because it will make for lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. This lower low, it tapered our demand zone. Then boom, it made a simple choke. Here we are waiting for a simple choke. If you made a simple choke, it retest again. Then boom, we what? We go long here, waiting, we break this lower point there, then boom. That's what we're looking for here on 1 minute here. So our target, it will be like here, let's say we get a trade here. So where is my long here? So here, I'll mark here. Then my SL is gonna be just here on this lower point here. I'll put where on this 50 minutes, the one that I refined to what to 5 minutes here. That's why I'll put under. That's why I'll put then boom. I target what? Look guys. I'll just target this high point here. Look. Easy guys here. Easy. Like this. One it is to 29 guys. Imagine if you code this thing guys here from this point here, then boom. Because here there's liquid to take. Market it just follow liquid, guys. Understand this one. Market it will come down here. It will what? It will just liquid everything here. When it liquid here, then we target what? Liquid on sorry. Then it will target what? Liquid on top here. Then boom. We hold this trade upward. We get to this point here. Easy guys. If let me just tell you something. I think so let me just yes. Good day, people. Good day. Yeah, so people are just cut here a little bit. So let me just come back again. So like what I was saying, guys, as you can see, yeah, that's all, guys. So this video, guys, like if let's say even any questions or anything that to comment, guys, just comment, just shoot everything in the comment section, guys. Like I just come here to say, if let's say this supply zone, like this demand zone, I mean, if it fails, then basically this one possibly is gonna hold. So if it's hold or and give us what, like I want to say, a simple change of character, then boom, we target what? That high point on 4 hours, like that high point of 4 hours. That's all, guys. So I'm just giving this strategy like for free, guys. Then yeah, that's all, guys. If you have any question, don't forget to shoot them in the comment section. Then yeah, we are good. Peace out, guys. See you on the next video, guys.